Lady Sarah, to me, me kunu yesofu. Me want man nine. Na me ni me kunu abo. Na me so me de ye me de nyom to ata na chine ye de ye nya me adwuma.
Yo, observe very much na esa makwaba e dey about TV. Nchi se bre e na aso. Already I adom and then so ya so think come and can say asida en kredi. Ya den komo e bro na ni nyina te de be asie no e ye wunchi. And I didn't home come at the ebro. And I am doing a saka in your bar. Ya Ghana, Dodona, and him say, or your gospel artist. A dear Dodona, and him no Lady Sarah. Lady Oba Sarah. Lady Oba.
Lady Assetchen Oba.
Oba Sarah. Sarah, oh.
Abraham,
yes, Sarah.
Abraham, yes, Sarah, oh,
Isaac.
Yeah.
Yaka, I didn't back up for you.
Yeah.
What not here? Yes, I say 1 years now.
A didn't know.
I didn't know about doing it. Yo. Mesubidi Eddie Eric with my friend Proportiona, and then in Komopi and a baby Eddie Afa, Lady Sarah, and in Chi, and you to a contumo. How a mania for my name or ever do Lydia and they will be a friend lady, no boy and come, not I come apart. Also, I mean, so said when your bra, when you oh, hey, I mean, so about Aquaba. Isaac, mammy. As Aquaba, so the other called it. A dinner, Lady Sarah, now, say, be shadowed come you.
Being shadowed come here, Mrs. Sarah Watchans, I bet now, prime name,
Mrs. Sarah Watchans, and Sonny who could be. You know, do could see I'm a Miss Claudia. Come up, one Lady Sarah.
Lady Sarah, to me, me kunu yesofu.
Okay.
Me want man nine. Na me ni me kunu abo. Na me so me de ye me de nyom to ata na chine ye de ye nya me adwuma.
To opritia na say nyom na ka wano aso.
No ase ye de fam. Combination e tight.
Ana I gospel artist man mo pass for what I did.
Oh, nya man nyina na ware asofo.
Bebre pass me.
Ebi enyom nyina wi a. Okay, em fa say be 70%. Na ware asofo be 30 years.
Asa na eni adwuma na fa.
Eni adwuma na fa mom. Sometimes
say no okunu picture. Now tin say nti honhom ne ka wa ya de aseda eni ka bia ma wo. Na okunu spirit aba.
Nya ne sa ware de enyina nim sa nya me na hyehya ware destiny shepherd.
Adwuma na homra.
Yeah.
Anti ukun sofo a so ye sofo bai de na say e ma wonsam o nwum na ye sofo nsam.
Sometimes we hear so be sa no. But nya me na hyehya obi a gospel artist on ware sofo or ware businessman obi kunu to store no but still na ni nyina na ewrade adon want no so. Still.
Ghana for mo he e de anwum na obeto a ye be ka say Lady Sarah di Matidin Lady Sarah yenim so ton aburo yenim so ton abe Lady Sarah obo nwum no na nwum na ebe de na de be ka o
Lady Sarah anwum a Ghana for the kai me vanza be 6 years ni Lady Sarah ankasa no me buy industry no achepa getting to 30 years achepa but my fame abrabomu ni amane enti te kwadai kakra but ni nyina mu me kase eyebre se nya me bre so a wada kra obesori na egina wo kwa na ye eche ti be 6 years mu na nya me sai push me e bai ti nyuma nkofo de kai me pa be 6 years ye mini e me ma no watu mahinkwa nenim na se udra hinwa nenim kasam chira Jesus mamme asama ka chira no sir mama ni din fufuro hey edia media mano no sir oye shabre sisafo wasisa me shabre manaya mewa hey shabre sisafo oni mi ra yesu eno na bra no so say nya me si Lady Sabra no na oso me nsa na ode anwumwe ade ba
enti o ba no na o sa ye ho nwom se ebe ye asesode ma urade
sanity because me kai baby a me free any baby am nam eba enye easy was sa anwumwe patu anwumwe no enye easy
ana me kai se o di kan ye nwum bi
Jide Mujata.
Jide Mujata.
And we are my first album. Let me at the age of Yes. Okay, no yet tetefoɔ no fa na hanamanfo mo ne ade ade no yesi so na producer okita me mu that time na me te wo ase okita mu that time ye AK Brobe ye nyina papa AK Brobe dum abronsan no so anwum no se juda mu data yesu e osabere ma yesu ye triwa ya parent juda mu data okodefo aso ya wa wonsa Another I am Pemobo. I couldn't sorry at Siane. Would you want ye, Papa? Would you want yes, and couldn't before? And now Osborne, so by a second album. Osborne, so no Kumasi. Osborne, so a second album, yeah. You're two Sabia, and Yahuna Mosa. Yare ko akubia nyahura mokokora mahodi timenko na menya santimenko Jesus a queen eya woko enti enu eche no so ene afrifa betro nyum bi maame dua bi ho emire ti dua bi ho mene ndie enu baby ana me a ebe baby tell because edu baby wo hwe situation na That's the idea,
and you are a separate suffer. I was a foreign home runner, and Sarah and I age train and come away. You have a red in cheap, baby, free. If you cry, you crew me, if you know, yeah, then you're back at the Akata as well. Yo, I was a for your samba. Lady, you're my cover.
Yeah,
lady, I'm fine chiefly.
Lady Sarah, me mamma, a Zama.
Zimakotoko.
Yeah, Frasandant. Or Kalana. And I'm a papaya infant. But Lady Sarah, I can't Asante baby because your woman Ashanti region. It could be a friend of Wasi, Santra. A one I'm a man Papa Shia. And now my worry Asante me Bema. I will free Asante Bequai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And some man will say me and the man fancy. Yeah, because me can't something.
And so my many friends in my home.
Papa, I am
so Chiancasa and Zema. Oh, okay. Now I find when if you know
many few of Wasi, your woman of Wasi, and not many few of meaning honor. Yeah, now Wasi, I'm a name in an annex. Men are none, me mamma won't tell. Men are not saying it, and I'm an annex. I'm an eye, a free baby, a boom. No what one petition and not the car. And there's not having anything a jawa one and another. Inti Obuasi could be a friend of Cobraca. Cobraca at that time near when the class a friend of mine Pamshe. And me a do baby a man I'm quite glad I say my Pamshe Hobomuka that time a car quite a new can't call Mampamia that time better an idea. We are sure say car call. Who quite will not at a form the Suma petition gallon. The qua banana na papa bi twa abe ewo mampam hweho a friend ni am friend teacher intimi na me kwaso ame na apetition edeba ebu won so ame kwaso adoka no edeba kwabrakwa be faka edeba awo ahwe akwala be 13 to 14 years atwa kwan kwa abeso kwaso apetition ene e wo ba asomodwi ni akokuni abbo no ni masomodwe akokro na mo ni anwa but as me body any anytime you adoka na so a on say adoka na hukuru say we have body stam we have body hukuru say abon say na adoka no na enenam ano no nti any straight wonum ti wan kasa wo fira ba no beso na say wa bodada ti say me ka de anyame ya bra adachi
e na say emu ho na onum sana kakaka
wo ba no na kwa beso na kwa ye wadoka say fufuo tunkum say from abonya na bra agi
ena apetition
na apetition dey say dey one mama say wonu kura na aye say nsuye ye na that time dey test apetition wonu ma dey test ye the manches uhwie gu fo wa pa manches na dey so aju wum test ansa na ana o hye ebu on so aye fa bi a wodwan brebo bi ehwie apetition egu so enua na test ansa na ye dey aye dey nti sa asam ye nu amama no na ese woti asese nyame wa ye bi
Satam na no what you feel
me wa be 13 14 15
no more for this
na ko abeso koso abade e na so be test
hey
yeah
I say school crowd one sit down course
school no ko e dey e tire na ni ho Koya me ko boss Methodist school, me form 4. When we are training, but they are not teachers, never master, and Salam Yadi games, and the car, netball, handball. Yeah, and then also the car sports, it will
one time was going to
David do form for class set, because when you're sure,
and it's also only said,
David, said, oh, dear,
oh, okay. It's no, you share, and Musano, Tonsana, the blue tambe.
And Salmon and the top will do what makes you done, and the court ran as a cost one back, so they are there. And Tiamuan, a radiator, the Behuno Christo, the soft penny evangelist of an Eden Watson. Upon a show me, a solid was a friendly pillar of faith, or the Mura Solomon, or the Mura Bible School. It's a big book, not in the mutual. So penny naturally, send me a citro, that's an amity Sarah or go, or tell them send me a citro Sarah or go. But the brap and Yammy, shape people. Now be I got 30 years and now on my 13, 14, 15 years, when we rather cry. I may be shot. Tia no more, I sorry, I may woman, who shall sorry, and to folk who a woman didn't who shame. Into a new to the quarry hairs are, I may go beyond quarry hairs are name. But the ambassador mechanic said, "Be a woman, be a yen, and no one I am a fast wire day is shroud. I'm a quarry has that. I'm a banana, him saying, I'll pop on crabby page and near the breakfast. Make hey, you know, I mean, can't to me. The last I went to a primary choir Canada. Say school no process and many people, but we did not go in for and then a Canada food. A black Canada crew as I buy passport to my yama. And by some it's
me. From one I was I mean, situation by year said, what the home I used to announce. Oh, yeah, I saw a cockade.
No, me de me home my yes to Ankasa because baby and Abra Bonnie Cono, name ye. Hey, I could get to a 15 son of Massey. I could find my son become Kakra. No, sorry, I want to be a pound. What is it? No, you're dumb. No, you're dumb. To be the baby, I'm a cussing. I'm here when I'm set. Or be fun home to a the so many was.
Over Kai, idea, why, yeah, what you say, I do a so pan, my young brother.
Idea me, yeah. Me who say young from so pass. Man, because you're the material university or US. Do a tour me so every year. And also a manager. I will want any producer in us multimedia. Do a tour also every year for me. I will go school where you cases here. And also your suffer your last ones where university. Next time when that time no. So come mama ni.
Una ye penny.
Na me penny ye fine. Me mama ni dawa. Ka this time. Nka ya me so meti ya de awie bi but me can say it is where
it is what say aye dey e be wuro mu eti ye na ye homra na Lady Sarah ye me hwe ne nyum to control kakra wato nyum ache wafam wabre eni odi de ye mre ye bazisia yo ya samba lady ye hwe anyum to what say efo ana edin
me hunu say enyefo na me hunu say enye de na emum eyofre ya mfre wa untimento ya mfre wa me ka so ofra say enye wo gifts a untimi wo bedwane because e woni me bebere wo a wo behia ansa na wo kekeka nyum mo kura mfa ko studio nko no enye easy anase obi nyina studio se or recording no obi timi ko na engineer no hwe ne sa so we ne kapani ni hokofie adeachi abradeachi osesa akọ until say enti your friend untimi ene mpo hwe de wa ne ama akwa because me kai say me first video a AK Brobema aye born TBC enu mpo no anya wo na utwa video no di akọ omo na akire watade ehye na omo ankasa de wagina baby ni aye de ye twa but ena wo hwe ho say media no bebre enti wura ha say urade nyame nkrofro anso wonsa one hwe ya wo gift no nso
mana eyo mentor e wo nyuntu wo like usuano opese when you dey only almost see so ache but what you say ese mo se nyum ye nyum am ne che mo ya pese bi bi ya so
one part na me show one so metimi aka ya nyina ya maame that sounds Ashanti reggae na maame estanya meche na ye wo lady bi nso wo kuma ase ase
estanya meche so slow
ya
ana nso de na ehye
se nyame obi mentor eno nkyere se ube fan star se wo di own star
edeba itina ko ni je
many je na ye wo one lady be a friend of him who said that time mas ne wo ohima and baby lady be boy yeah person ni say ni yeah but that time holy go all night yeah go holy go all night until no ohima so na me follow me
okay enti yan hwe odi obi ayanyum onum akontum wosimu odi be ayanyum anyum no ay kama
yeah many ankra to onum
okay
many ankra to onum a who say nyame sunsun o say oyo nyame a on sa trada oyo nyame a sa trada ni otia notie ani da kesi da pe oyo nyame a on sa trada inkeboni eyole na kano eyo eno mi future and ankrofo nso nipa be 1 2 be a future me awo omonyom so woman back wo Canada a friend Polaman ono so future me o say maybe asidani na be manya kupono ayaya na be mabasa yi adom ne wo fie ne wo abonten ne seto krom ne wo baby bia say wo pesa odanya me ase a ramenchen na me ma okakra eno praman feature na now de abobom kura agigidigidi wo Ghana nyina ya ode hye na na ono so feature be o say jajawa ne kire me voice ade ya so ya mami ya me wadi ya me fansa na nai mi konsio mano na me nyadwuma bi mano odo mi seye odomi seye eno yodehye na na official
okay maka etifo nse mentale ehye mensu ya na ja obi na ehye mama man kan you obi na pam
obi na pam efe ba
efe
the way we design no de winchi ne sen de adom tv aka on ani abia ayaga
aha anti na kwa mana yebia ma okunu
mate
aha efe na bia na ba kudi
aha ani Lady Sarah's ministry ya de baba na eja
aha anti bia na ba so awukam so gogo no you good pa okumase rukutu janshi wa na number ni 0243 050566 0243 050566 edu na ba kudi ono ena na lady na ko pon show na omo krutuma honye fasa na adomnya ene kese eti mera se so so hweye kai se me din na adu Eric with my friend proportion me da me kru na si apia Ebenezer na ne kumsi sanso ena de me meche eti yeri si da se de be se hia ya me kan